periodic table. This is the model periodic table. Now at presently there are 118 elements. So how many elements are there? There are 118 elements. Now this modern periodic table is divided into 7 periods, if you see. One period is this one, hydrogen. Second period is here. 13th period is here. 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 periods. Totally the whole elements are divided into 18 groups and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 periods. So all elements, why they have been classified into groups and periods? What is the reason behind it? Reason is that if it is easy to memorize the properties of limited groups and limited periods, instead of memorizing all the properties of different 118 elements, hence they have been grouped into periods and groups. Now, out of these 18 groups, according to their properties, they have been given different names. The first group, which consists of elements, hydrogen. If you see, atomic number is 1. Then lithium, atomic number is 3. Sodium, atomic number is 11. Symbol is Na. Potassium, atomic number is 19. Symbol is K. Rubidium, atomic number is 37. And symbol is Rb. Cesium, atomic number is 58 and symbol is Cs. Francium, atomic number is 87 and symbol is Fr. Out of all this period, now if you see, out of all these elements, francium is different, Fr. Why it is different? Because it is radioactive. Hence, the properties of radioactive elements are different. Why they have been told as alkali metals? What is the reason they have been given the name alkali metals? Because when these alkali metals, when they combine with oxygen, like lithium plus oxygen, it forms an oxide called as lithium oxide. This lithium oxide, when it dissolves in water, it forms lithium hydroxide. This lithium hydroxide, this is a base, or we call it as alkali. Why alkali? Amandeep, why it is called as alkali?
Because it contains water and water.
Because it dissolves in water. Bases which dissolve in water are called as alkalis. Hence, lithium hydroxide, because it dissolves in water, it forms alkali. Hence, these group of elements are called as alkali metals. Similarly, let us move on to the last group, this 18 group elements. These are named as noble elements or noble gases. Now, out of this, these are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are all noble gases. Now, do you know which gas is used in bulbs? Which gas are we using in bulbs? Argon. Okay. Which is the lightest gas? Helium. Where are we using argon? Tube lights. Even in tube lights it is used. Argon is used in tube lights also. Okay. Now, they are called noble gases. What is the reason they are called as noble gases?
They do not react.
They do not react with any other metal. Like noble man. Whom do we call a noble man? Who is away from all the bad habits. All the bad habits. So that is called as a noble man. Similarly, these noble metals, these noble gases, they do not react with any other element. Hence, is AR, 18. If you write down the electronic configuration, it is 2A8. The last shell is this is called as the valence shell. This valence shell has 8 electrons, so octet is complete. Hence, because already there are 8 electrons, hence this element does not combine with any other element. Hence, it is a noble gas. Okay, so 17 now. Now, if you see now, so 18 group elements are called as noble gases. 17 group elements now: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and acetylene. They are called as halogens. Why are they called as halogens now? 17th group, they are called as halogens. Why are they called halogens? Because they combine with metals to form salts. Hence they are called as halogens. For example, chlorine. It combines with sodium to form sodium chloride. Sulfur combines with sodium to form sodium sulfur, not sulfur. Here. Chlorine, bromine combines with sodium to form sodium bromide. Similarly, iodine. Iodine is required in our salt, isn't it? So these all elements combine with metals to form salt. Hence they are called as halogens. Similarly, we have second group elements. This one, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and rubidium. These are called as alkaline